Hello students, last day we have learned the lesson name Happy Deepavali. We have learned how the Rohan was helping his mother and cleaning the rooms. Now let us continue the lesson. His mother and grandmother were making new dishes on the occasion of Diwali. His grandmother was a great cook. She has made delicious gulab jamuns and gujiyas. Finally, it was Friday. Next day was Diwali, though everyone was happy. Rohan was very sad. His mother had said that she will not buy any crackers for him this year, so he went to his father. All the family members were decorated the house, and next day it was Diwali. Everyone was very happy. Rohan was very sad. Why? Because his mother has said that she will not buy any crackers on this year, on this occasion of Diwali. So he went to his father. Who went? Rohan went to his father. I am going to ask one question. Who is not ready to buy the crackers? Who said you did not need buy the crackers? Yes, Rohan's mother. She has not ready, or she will not buy any crackers for him. For him means to Rohan this year. Okay. See the next line. Dad, I want to go and buy crackers. A whole lot of them, said Rohan. Rohan went to his father and said to him, I want to go to the market and buy crackers. A lot of crackers he want. So he asked to his father. Just then his elder sister said, Anjali, her elder sister name is Anjali, she said, came into the room. She came into the room and said, who took a pledge in a school to say no to crackers? Asked Anjali. Anjali asked means she said to his brother, who took a pledge. Yes, pledge means here promise. Pledge means promise. Who took promise in a school to say no to crackers? That means nobody can burst the cracker this year. So everyone in the school has pledged no to crackers. Don't you remember, Rohan? All the students of our school have promised not to buy crackers this year. All the students has took the pledge of our school, have promised not to buy crackers this year. All the students has took the promise they will not buy the crackers this year. Don't you remember how much smoke and dust the crackers caused last year? Are you forgot? Last year so many dust and smoke was caused. Lots of crackers caused because of the crackers. Last year the lots of crackers was burst. That's why smoke and dust were polluted the air. So Rohan was silent. He was silent. All his happiness vanished. All his happiness, his exciting was vanished. Vanish means disappeared. Vanish means went away. Otherwise disappear. His happiness or his excitement was went away. After all, what was Diwali without crackers? He said to himself, without crackers, what was the Diwali? What was Diwali? Anjali knew her brother was very fond of bursting crackers. Anjali, his elder sister, knew her brother was very fond of bursting crackers. He if loved to burst the crackers. Anjali knew. Oh, come on, Rohan. We will make a rangoli with the colors I have, she said, trying to cheer him up. Anjali said to his brother Rohan, Oh, oh, come on, Rohan, we will make a rangoli with colors. We fill the colors in the rangoli. She tried to cheer him up. She tried to cheer means she tried to happy him. She tried to make happy him. Okay. I will put fairy lights all over the house, said Grandpa. I will put fairy lights all over the house, said Grandpa. You will have to help me, Rohan. And his grandpa was telling to him, I'm going to put all fairy lights means lighting all over the house. You will have to help me. You must help me. His grandfather told to Rohan. See in this picture, all the members were trying to cheer up the Rohan. All are happy. Everyone was exciting, enjoying the Diwali. Let us continue. I have bought new clothes for everyone, said Mom. Once again, her mother was telling to everyone, I have bought new clothes for everyone. You can taste all the sweets to make sure they are tasty, added Grandma. And Grandma said, you can taste all the sweets to make sure they are tasty. Grandma was telling to Rohan, you can taste all sweets you will like because all the sweets are tasty. I am very sure you will like the all sweets. Now Rohan brightened up. He couldn't he couldn't wait for the next morning. It was indeed a very happy Diwali for him. Now Rohan was brightened up. Rohan was very happy. He cheered and he could not wait for the next morning. He was not waiting for the next morning because all the members was telling to him was his mother has bought new clothes and his grandmother was telling you can taste the sweets. I'm very sure you will like all the tasty dishes. His sister was telling you can help me to fill up the colors in the rangoli, and his grandpa was telling to him to help him to put up the fairy lights all over the house. So he was getting brighten up. He was getting cheer up. So it means really he was very happy Diwali for him. Okay, so all of you have to understand this lesson and you have to read this lesson 2 times so you can get it. Okay dear kids, you can understand the lesson better, so you have to read the lesson 2 or 3 times. Okay, let us see the reading comprehension. Take the correct option to complete each sentence. First, Rohan's mother was calling to help her clean the room. Not to cook, not to go to the market. His mother called him to help her clean the storeroom. So this is the correct answer. Third one. Next. Second, Rohan was sad as his mother had. Rohan was sad. Why was Rohan sad? Because he refused to buy a new shirt for him, refused to buy him cracker, scold him. Why was Rohan sad? As his mother refused to buy him crackers. His mother was not ready to buy the crackers, so he was sad. Third, Rohan's sister Anjali reminded him. What was Rohan's sister reminding? about the pledge they took at the school. Correct. All the student has took the pledge at school. Fourth, Ron's grandma was making. What was Ron's grandma was making? Gulab jamuns and gujiyas. She was sure it will be tasty. Okay. Next, answer these questions. First, what was Rohan doing when his mother called him? What was Rohan doing? Rohan was doing, he was playing chess with his father when his mother called him. Second, who were coming to celebrate Diwali with Rohan's family? Who were coming? His aunt Simi and his cousins were coming to celebrate Diwali with Rohan's family. Third, when was the house painted every year? The house was painted after the cleaning and before the Diwali. Before Diwali, the house was painted after the cleaning the house. Fourth, what would Rohan's mother and grandmother make for Diwali? What would Rohan's mother and grandmother make for Diwali? Rohan's mother and grandmother was making new dishes every year. So grandmother was a great cook. She made gulab jamuns and gujiyas. Why did Rohan's excitement vanish? Why? Because Rohan's mother was not ready to buy the crackers. So Rohan's excitement was vanished. 6. How did Rohan become happy again? When the elder sister said to Rohan to help me fill the color in the rangoli, and his grandmother was telling to him, you can taste the delicious dishes, you will feel happy, you will be like, you will be taste, you have to taste all the tasty dishes. And his mother was telling, I have bought the new dresses for everyone. And his grandpa was telling to help him, was asking, you have to help me to put up the lights in the house. So Rohan was become very happy again. So dear student, all of you have to write the answer in your notebook and send your homework regularly. Okay.